Hey there, hair warriors! Vitamins and minerals are your secret weapons against premature graying. Let's discover how these help delay premature graying of hair. We'll also discuss how Mayraki's anti-gray hair color restoring treatment can complement your hair care routine. Before we get into the vitamins and minerals, let's quickly recap why hair turns gray. Gray hair occurs when melanocytes, the cells responsible for producing melanin, the pigment that gives hair its color, stop producing melanin. This can be due to various factors including genetics, aging, and certain health conditions. Now, let's explore the essential vitamins and minerals that can support healthy hair growth and potentially delay graying. Vitamin B12. This vitamin plays a crucial role in red blood cell production, which is essential for carrying oxygen to your hair follicles. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to hair loss and premature graying. Biotin. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, is essential for healthy hair, skin, and nails. It helps metabolize proteins, which are building blocks for hair. Iron. Iron is necessary for the production of red blood cells, which transport oxygen to your hair follicles. An iron deficiency can lead to hair loss and premature graying. Copper. Copper is a trace mineral that helps produce melanin. A copper deficiency can contribute to hair loss and graying. Zinc. Zinc is involved in various bodily functions, including hair growth and repair. It helps protect hair follicles from damage. While a balanced diet can provide these essential vitamins and minerals, Mayraki's anti-gray hair color-restoring treatment can offer additional support. This product is formulated with natural ingredients that can help nourish your hair and scalp, potentially slowing down the graying process. In addition to consuming a balanced diet rich in these vitamins and minerals, here are some other tips for maintaining healthy hair. Minimize stress. Stress can accelerate hair aging. Practice stress management techniques like meditation or yoga. Avoid excessive heat styling. Heat styling can damage your hair and contribute to premature graying. Protect your hair from the sun. UV rays can damage your hair, so wear a hat or use a hair product with SPF. By incorporating these vitamins and minerals into your diet and using products like Mayraki's anti-gray hair color restoring treatment, you can support healthy hair growth and potentially slow down the graying process. Remember, individual results may vary, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns about your hair health. Interested in learning more about Mayraki's anti-gray treatment? Head over to the link in the description below. There you can find more information and see if this product might be a good fit for your hair goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more hair care tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.